If you're not using these 3 free AI tools in 2025, you're falling behind. Let's start with Perplexity.ai. This one's like ChatGPT, but with a serious upgrade. It pulls real-time info straight from the internet and shows you exactly where the data comes from. You don't need to guess if the answer is outdated or made up. Everything's sourced. It's perfect for school, research, or just getting clear answers fast. Next up is Opus Clip. This one's for creators or anyone who wants to repurpose content. You just upload a long video, like a podcast, Zoom call, or a YouTube vid, and it automatically finds the best moments, adds subtitles, cuts the boring parts, and gives you short clips ready to post. You don't need editing skills, and it literally saves you hours. Third is Notion AI. If you already use Notion, this adds superpowers. It can help you write emails, summarize articles, brainstorm project ideas, and organize your tasks. You're basically putting an assistant right inside your workspace. No switching tabs, no distractions. All 3 of these tools are free to try, fast to use, and designed to save you time. I drop new AI tools every single week. If you're trying to work smarter or build something without wasting hours, hit that subscribe button and stick around.